What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lizelle. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for you guys, and it's going to be somewhat of a fashion styling video, all centered around the basic white tee. I definitely feel like a basic white t-shirt should be a staple in everybody's wardrobe because there are so many different ways that you can style it and incorporate it into outfits. For me, it is definitely one of my go-to pieces. As long as I have a white t-shirt, I can style it any way I want into any outfit, and I feel like it always looks good. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for you guys today, is just showing you a bunch of different ways that I like to style my white tee into outfits. Another thing that you may notice is that a lot of the outfit combos that I'll be showing you guys are made up of pieces that a lot of you guys would already have, like a leather jacket, denim jacket, shorts, jeans, white sneakers, boots, that kind of thing. I feel like those are also pieces that are staples within a wardrobe. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to show you guys how I like to style a white t-shirt with all those other staple pieces. So if you guys are interested in this kind of thing, and if you do enjoy this video and you guys want to see more of them, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, like it before you leave it, and if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below and click the bell as well so you don't miss any more videos that I post. And with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so as you know, there are many different styles when it comes to the basic white tee. However, this one in particular is most definitely my favorite. So I've chosen to go with one that's a little bit oversized, has drop shoulders, and sits a little bit wider around the sleeves. And I feel like this silhouette is super multifunctional in the sense that it can be dressed up or dressed down, which you guys are about to see. So we're keeping it super casual for the first outfit. Denim shorts. I feel like a white tee with denim shorts are a go-to. You can't go wrong with that. I personally like to tuck it in to give me a little bit more of shape, and then throw it on with some crispy white sneakers, and that right there is my go-to outfit. I feel like if you have a nice clean white tee with some clean white sneakers, you can't go wrong. Now if I want to dress it up a little, I will go ahead and add a belt, and when it comes to belts, I personally like to put them on in this way, where I take the end and kind of tuck it through and let it hang. I just feel like it adds a little more interest as opposed to just looping it through the belt loops like usual. I feel like letting it hang looks a little bit more interesting in my personal opinion. And then if I want to further accessorize, add a clutch, and I've taken a super casual outfit and kind of added a little bit extra to it without having to do too much. And then of course, you can't go wrong with the crossbody bag. Now if you wanted to dress it up even more, just throw on a leather jacket. I feel like leather jackets are great at making outfits look a little more edgy without having to do too much. I also love throwing on some Doc Martens with this outfit combo, and as you can see, it gives it a totally different look. I feel like combat boots are definitely something that can be worn in the summer, in the winter. They're the type of shoe that can be worn all year round. And as you can see with the leather jacket and the clutch, it gives a totally different feel. Next up, we have leather shorts. I feel like throwing on a white tee with some cute leather shorts makes for the perfect night out outfit. As you can see, I've paired it up with some heels as well. I feel like the leather shorts do a great job of dressing up the basic white tee. And then of course, pair that up with some heels and a matching clutch, and it's a totally cute night out outfit. I also just went ahead and changed up my accessories, put on some gold accessories instead, and paired it up with some nude heels and a nude handbag with gold hardware to match, and I feel like that's another cute option for a night out outfit. Next up, we are pairing it up with some bike shorts, and this right here, the oversized white tee with some bike shorts, is like the go-to errand running outfit. I also threw on some clean white sneakers. These are just some Nike Air Max 95s and a cute little leather backpack to dress it up, and I feel like this right here is the go-to errand running outfit. Now if you feel like you want to add a little more shape to your silhouette, this is something that I like to do sometimes, is I will tie up my tee. Now I don't actually like to tie up my tee on itself because I feel like that stretches out the fabric. So the way that I do it is I gather it up at the front and I take those teeny tiny little hair elastics, the clear ones, and I will just tie it up. And I feel like this changes up the look of the outfit. It gives you a little more shape, it shows off your curves more, and it looks a little more fitted while still being somewhat casual and loose. And then on those days when it gets a little cooler, I'll just throw on a denim jacket, and I feel like a denim jacket paired up with a white tee, you can't go wrong with that. Next up, we have leather look leggings. I feel like leather look leggings with an oversized white tee kind of gives off that model off duty kind of look, and I've paired it up with some Nike Air Force Ones, which are my go-to sneakers lately. And I've added some gold accessories and this cute tiny handbag with gold hardware. And then when I really want to be extra, I'll throw in some sunnies. These ones are from Off-White. And again, it's one of those outfits that I feel like looks really put together without having to do too much. And of course, if you don't like gold, switch it up for some silver. Really depends on what your preference is. But either way, I feel like you can't go wrong with leather look leggings and a white tee. Now I know some of you guys up in the Northern Hemisphere are currently transitioning into cooler weather, so on top of that you could throw on a wool coat. This one in particular is a little bit oversized, which I do prefer, and adding the coat dresses up the outfit, but the look is still kept casual with the sneakers, which I do like that. Then of course there's a classic denim jacket, white tee, and some leggings, or in this case, the leather look leggings. But I feel like this is definitely a go-to outfit. You can't go wrong with it. Super clean, easy to wear, and suits pretty much everybody. And then of course you could switch that out for the leather jacket, get that monochromatic look going. As I said earlier, the leather jacket does add some edge to an outfit, but it's still kept casual with the sneakers. But in terms of dressing it up, throw on some Chelsea boots, and I feel like that changes it up even more. And let me tell you, leather look leggings with Chelsea boots will make your legs go for days. And as you guys can see, just changing up the shoes to boots and throwing on the coat gives it a whole more dressed up appeal. And then just switching it up with this tan coat, I feel like tan with white go together really well. And then if you wanted to dress that up even more for a night out, switch out the Chelsea boots for a pair of nude heels. Or of course you could go back to the Doc Martens, which are perfect for the upcoming cooler months for those of you guys who are up in the Northern Hemisphere. Of course, if you wanted to dress it up even more, just throw on some heels, literally. A pair of heels with the leather look leggings and a white tee, and it looks like a whole different outfit. Add on a cute little clutch bag or pair it up with a leather jacket as well, and we have the perfect casual night out outfit. So next up we have sweatpants. Now sweatpants and a white tee, definitely another one of my go-to outfits. However, to give myself a little more shape, I do like to tie up the front of my tee. Once again, I've paired this up with some white sneakers, and to dress it up a little more, added on that faux leather crocodile look clutch crossbody bag, and then the sunnies just top it off. I'm literally wearing sweatpants and a t-shirt, you guys. Like, you can totally dress up a white t-shirt. It all depends on how you style it with your accessories, but this is like that perfect loungewear outfit, but I gotta quickly go out and do some things type of look. And then of course you can have a little monochromatic moment by throwing on a grey wool coat, and I feel like that dresses it up even more. Of course we can't forget the classic straight leg boyfriend style jeans with a white tee. Again, one of my go-to outfits, especially this one right here. Oversized white tee with the Air Force Ones and a cute belt. Once again, add a little more edginess to it with a leather jacket, or dress it up with the Chelsea boots and the wool coat, and we have a whole different look. Or if you're more into gold accessories, I switched up my belt to one that has gold hardware, changed all of my accessories to gold, and then I paired it up with the tan camel colored coat, and I feel like that again is a whole different look. Added that cute little handbag with the gold hardware, and once again we have dressed up a basic white tee. If you're looking for something a little more dressier for a night out, switch out the Chelsea boots for a pair of nude heels and a nude handbag to match. And that again is just one of the many ways to dress up a basic white tee. Alright you guys, so there we have it. Those are all the ways that I like to style a basic white tee. I want you to comment down below and let me know which outfit combo was your favorite. And if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it before you leave it. And if you're still here at the end watching and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the little red button down below before you go so you don't miss any more videos that I post. If you guys want to keep up with me on any of my other social media accounts, you can find all of that info down below in the description box. And with that being said, I hope you guys are having an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope you are staying safe, looking after yourselves and looking out for each other. I will talk to you guys in the comments and I'll see you all in my next video. Like